Evening, everyone. It's 7:28 on Sunday night, the 5th of March, and this is your Sunday night look at the futures. And they're kind of mixed, but here's the quandary. If you have inflation and you have massive amounts of debt, you want to pay it back with inflated dollars. Kind of interesting. Normally, one would expect those dollars to be as cheap as possible. Yet, look at this the dollar index. This is the weekly. It looks like it's rolling back to the upside. This purple line is the 5 week, and the 20 week is the blue line, and it looks like it's going towards the upside. MACD, same situation. Looks like it's rolling back to the upside. The quandary is that in order to have a strong dollar, you usually need higher interest rates. But if you take a look at the 30-year, what you have is a market that looks like it's rolling back to the downside. So the question is, do you want um, cheap bonds with a high yield and probably a higher dollar, which flies in the face of an inflation related um, issue with getting rid of the debt? It's a tough one. And, we've been making lower highs and lower lows now for a year and a half, 2 years, 3 years. Let's just take a look. Since the blow off top right here, which was 2020, 316, 2020. So we're right at the 3 year, nothing but lower highs and lower lows. Well, that's just the theoretical side of it. Let's look at where we actually are. Uh, Energy is weaker, not substantially in anything other than, of course, the nat gas, which had a great week last week and is now given back the majority of it overnight. We closed over $3 for the first time. Looked like second week up, looked like it was going to hold. And here we are down 26 cents, 27 cents, which, is 8%, 9%, 9% exactly, 27 cents. Uh, as far as the rest of energy, the oil is down 26 cents, heating oil down 2 cents, gasoline basically unchanged. So, precious metals higher, up about $4 for the gold, up about 5 cents for the silver. Our copper is down about a penny and a half. And, it too had a good week this week, closed right in the middle. But within this flag that I drew, let's take a look at the daily and go out to 6 months. And, you know, we really have to hold this area right where we are, 402 for, well, right now we are 406 and change, but as long as we held this 401, 402 area, I can see us easily making an assault on these tops. The high close over here was 416, and the high close over here was 418 and a half. So we'll have to see whether or not we can pull through that. Let's see, the cattle doesn't open yet, the softs haven't opened yet. Stock futures down $5, five and a quarter on the S&P, down 21 in the Nas, down 44 in the Dow, and down $2.30 in the Russell. The dollar, as I said, is up, Bitcoin up, Ethereum up, and the bonds also up. So this is a pretty big week, especially on Friday when we have the payrolls and unemployment rate, and we'll see what the Fed's going to do here. All right, everyone. Have a good evening.